Listen carefully. So I already told you many times. So what are the type of questions they will ask? Listen carefully. So in Boolean logics, sometimes they will give expression. Okay, you can see in the screen. This is called expression. They will give some expressions and they will ask you to construct the logic circuit. Okay, and draw the truth table. Okay, this is the question they will ask. Otherwise, they will give the logic circuit like this and they ask you to find the expression, that Boolean expression for this logic circuit and truth table making. Okay, this is the thing they are asking. Okay, so kindly understand how to convert from expression to logic and logic to expression. Okay, so everyone know what are the different kinds of logic gates available and what are the symbols, everything. Okay, so here the expression that is given by the same logic gates but with the operators they are using, that a plus b. So here plus is the operator. This is used for OR gate. Okay, then this dot, here they used a dot operator. No, this is for AND gate. Okay, then this A bar means that is they are using NOT gate. Okay, so these are the things you should remember before constructing the logic circuit. Okay, so now first thing is how many inputs are available. That is the first thing. Students, tell me how many inputs. Students, how many input variables are there? Yes, A
Two,
and
sir.
two. Very good. A and B. Okay. So Tikshna Sri, your voice is not audible. You can increase your volume. Saravanan, no need to switch on camera. Saravanan, you can switch off your camera. Just listen. So we are having two variables. One is A. Okay. So students, just listen. This is how you have to answer in the exam. Okay. So A, B. Okay. Then these are the two things we know. First, we have to evaluate this expression into logic circuit. So we have some priority. Which operator will operate first? So I already told you that is first we have to operate brackets. Okay, first priority you should give for bracket, then NOT gate, then AND gate, then OR gate. Okay, this is the rule. So don't forget these rules, students. This is very important. Okay. So now first you should evaluate this bracket. So bracket we are having two brackets. So first this one, this first bracket A plus B. So A plus B, the plus means you have to give which logic gate, students, plus for which logic gate? OR gate. Okay, so draw the OR gate symbol. So first OR gate symbol like this. Okay, draw neatly. Okay, I am drawing in the computer, so it will look like this. So but you students draw neatly. Okay, so the second input will be AB. So A plus B, the answer is this output. This output is the A plus B. Okay, you can write it here also, A plus B. Okay, this is how you have to write in the exam also, A plus B. Then next one, the next bracket. Okay, A bar plus B. This is the thing. So first, before evaluating this, you have to calculate the A bar. Okay, so the next R symbol, but you need a, yeah, not A. Okay, so you do like this. Use the not symbol and get A bar. Okay, here this is A bar. Students, everyone understood? I am getting input from A and making it as A bar by using not get. Students, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So then the next one, a plus b bar. So a bar plus b we can calculate. So this is the first input, and the second input you can get from b. So now you can do this OR gate. Again OR gate. Okay, the first one is a bar, then second one you continue with this b. Okay, b, take input from b, you can calculate, and you can find this a bar plus b. Okay, so plus means OR gate, so we used the OR gate symbol. Okay, so then what is the missing one? What is the remaining thing we have to do, students? That dot operator, that is AND gate. Okay, you can see here this dot operator. So dot operator means that is AND gate, everyone know. So draw the AND gate symbol. Okay, so get these two inputs and give it to AND gate, and your output is this F. Okay, you can write it as F, or you can write a plus b dot a bar plus b. Okay, so this is our required logic circuit. Students understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the first thing. Okay, so for logic circuit you have to do this one. Then we can go for truth table. Okay, so just to understand, so this above thing is a expression, then this next one is a logic circuit. Students, everyone copy in your answer, no, sorry, classwork note. And I already told you, you have to submit your classwork note every Saturday. Okay, so then the truth table we are going to make. So already know how many inputs are there, students? How many inputs? Two. Okay, A and B are the inputs, so two inputs are there. So I'm going to make it the table column. Okay, so now we have to write whatever we need here. Okay, so what are the things we should write means first input is A. Okay, then you write B input. Okay, then finally we have to calculate the intermediate outputs. So start with the A plus B, then A bar. Okay, A bar I will write later. Then here A plus, sorry, A bar plus B. Okay, so just wait, I will show you everything. So here A plus B dot A bar plus B. Okay, so this is the thing we have to calculate. So two inputs means we will get four possibilities. Okay, so you draw like this tabular column in your exam paper. Then see A bar we have to find, no, so you have to draw like this A bar. Okay, so now I am going to write this. So what are the possibilities? First one 0 0. Okay, then 0 1, then 1 0 1 1. This is a thing we have to start. So these are the four possibilities. Now we have to find these intermediate outputs. Okay, A plus B, A bar plus B. Then finally a plus b dot a bar plus b. Okay. Students, anyone tell me the answer? What is the answer for a plus b? Take this a and b are the inputs, then plus OR gate. What is the functionality of OR gate? Students, anyone tell me the answer? Ten Indian? Yes, Tikshna Sri. Tell me ma.
Sir, 0111, sir.
Okay. 0111. Tikshna Sri, your voice is very low ma. Tikshna. Increase your volume. Tikshna. Yes. Now tell me the answer for A bar. A bar means, so you have to take A as a input, only one input, and you have to reverse the value. Okay, tell me answer.
1100, sir.
Okay, okay. So then Indian give chances to everyone. Okay, everyone need to tell the answers, students. Everyone. Okay, now what is the solution for this A bar plus B, students? Jagadeep, Jagadeep, Jose Nitin, Jose. Tell me pa answer. Tikshna, can you tell me? A bar plus B. So now you have to take this as a first input, A bar and B. Okay, and you have to find the A bar plus B. Tell me ma. 1101. Very good. Okay. So this is our gate. At least you need one input as true to get the output true. Okay. So then finally the final output F equal to A plus B dot A bar plus B. So we have to find these two inputs. Okay. So now you have to take this one and this one. These two are the inputs and calculate by using AND gate. Okay. What is the AND gate? You have to give the output true if both the inputs are true. Okay, all the input true means you can give output true. Okay, so now tell me what is the answer.
0101.
Yes, very good. 0101. Very good. Okay, so that's all. These are the three things we have to write in the exam. Okay, first expression, then logic circuit constructing, then writing the truth table. Okay, students, any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So kindly students practice. Okay. Then only you can understand. So
Okay, sir.
for practicing students, I give you one exam on homework. Okay. So just to note it down, everyone. Wait, I didn't complete. Students, everyone note it down. A dot B plus A bar dot C plus uh, B dot C bar. Okay. Students, everyone noted? A dot B plus A bar dot C plus B dot C bar. Everyone noted pa this homework? So kindly practice. Okay. So you have to make logic circuit for this. First find the logic circuit. Okay. Then find the truth table. Okay. After completing, students share with me. Okay, I already given my number. Okay, after completing this, share with me. If there is any doubts, you ask me. Okay, I am ready to explain you any number of times. Okay, so I need everyone to understand. So kindly, students, you should understand only by means of practice. Okay, so do the practice after this class or when you are having free time. Okay, take it as this one as a homework. Students understood? Noted by everyone? Shall we go for
Yes,
next
sir.
one? Yes. You can take the screenshot. Then we go for next one. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this also. Okay, logic circuit, truth table, and the homework. Okay. So now the second type of question. So in now here what they given now in the question they will give logic circuit. Okay. Question they will give logic circuit. So from this you have to find the expression, then make the truth table. Okay. Everyone ready? Students, everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now from the logic circuit, what are the things we should do first means how many number of inputs are there? Okay. And what is the output variable? Okay. And what are the logic circuits they are using? That are logic gates. Okay. So first question, how many number of inputs? Students, how many inputs are there? Three. Very good. A, B, C. Three are inputs. What is the output variable?
X.
X. Okay. Very good. So output is X. Then what are the different logic gates are used in this logic circuit?
Not or sorry.
NOT gate,
Not
AND gate. This one is NOR gate. Okay. This look like OR gate, but they used a bubble before this. So this is NOR gate. Okay. Understood everyone? Students, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, now we can make the table expression. First, you can write the expression. So here you can see. So from the logic circuit only you can make the expression. So in the logic circuit itself, again you draw the logic circuit. So here you have to write A bar. Okay. So A using NOT gate means you will get A bar. Okay. So here what will get this output? B and C are the inputs. Students, how to write here?
B dot C.
Yes, B dot C. Very good. B dot C. Then, okay, finally, this A bar is for one input and B dot C is the second input for this NOR gate. Okay, so NOR gate means students don't confuse. You just make the bracket and first make the bar. Okay, then inside you need two inputs. Now you have to do it like a OR gate. Okay, so now what is the answer?
A bar plus B dot C.
Yes, A bar plus B dot C. Okay, this is the final expression. So now you can easily write the expression x equal to, okay, A bar plus B dot C. Okay, whole bar. Students understood everyone? How to find the expression from the logic circuit? Students understood pa? And intermediate outputs and intermediate expressions are very very important. Okay, so that is the thing. After combining everything only you can get the final thing. Okay, so you come level by level. So this first level is the logic gates nearby the input. Okay, then after that the next level gate. Okay, the next gate. Okay, like this. Sometimes they will use 3 level or 4 level gates. That the expression will be very big. Okay, whatever. Don't forget. You just simplify level by level. You can easily get whatever you need. Okay, so first of all, you should know the exact symbol for every logic gate. Okay, so you don't confuse with the OR gate and NOR gate. Okay, both are different. So practice. So just you draw everything by the name, then only you will get some idea. Okay, now we have to find the truth table. Okay, so how many inputs are there, students?
3.
3 inputs. So how many possibility? 3 inputs means 2 power 3, we will get 8 possibilities. Okay, so you have to draw the bigger tabular column. First, draw the empty tabular column for with a required number of columns. Okay. So A, B, C, these are the inputs. Then you have to find the A bar. Okay. Then B dot C is the another one. Then you have to find first A bar plus B dot C. Then only you can make that whole bar. Okay. Understood everyone? You cannot directly find this bar. Okay. So you need a intermediate output for that. So just listen. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, students, very, very easy. Just to see. Okay, students, everyone understood? You need you have 3 inputs. Then you have to find A bar. Then you find B dot C. Then you find A bar plus B dot C. Okay, you cannot directly go for that whole bar. Okay, so first you find this one. Then only you can find the X. That is the bar of this one. Okay, this input. Students, everyone ready? Okay, we made 8 rows. So now we can write the possibilities. First one. So how to write the possibilities means, so first for A, okay, totally 8 numbers are there. So first 4 are 0, next 4 1. Okay. So first 4 0, next 4 1. Okay. Then for B, how to write means, so consider this A, how many zeros are there? 4 0. So make it half. Okay. So 4 0. So now make it half. So first 2 zeros you have to write 0. Next 2 0 you have to write 1. Okay. Like this you again repeat for 1 also. So 0 0 1 1. Okay. Then for C, C is the last input. So you have to write alternative 0 and 1 starting with 0. 0 1 0 1 alternative 0 1. Okay, students, understood? So now tell me what is the answer for A bar, students? Students, what is the answer for A bar?
1, 1, 1, 1.
Yes, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, that is reversing the values of A. Okay, just to take the A column and reverse the values. Now we have to find the B dot C. Okay, B dot C. So here you have to take this B and C column and do with the AND gate. Okay, AND gate means you need all the input should be true to get the output true. Okay, so now tell me the output, students. B dot C.
0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Yes, very good. 0001, 0001. Okay, this is the answer for B dot C. Very good. Okay, now next one, next column A bar plus B dot C. Okay, here I used the OR gate. Okay, so your inputs are this one and this one. Okay, these two you have to do the OR gate to find the this column. Okay, now tell me the OR gate result. At least you need one true to get the output true. Just to consider these two columns. Okay, students, tell me.
1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1.
Yes, very good. So 111 0001. Very good. Okay. So now you can easily find the last one. Just we are going to reverse the value of this column. Okay, that is a whole bar. You can see here the whole bar. So we found the A bar plus B dot C. So you just reverse the value. So 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So the answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, students, everyone clear? That's all. We found the truth table for the particular logic circuit. Okay, so first you need to find the expression, then only you are able to find the truth table. Okay, directly you can't go for truth table. You need an expression. Okay, so you should make the truth table according to the number of intermediate outputs. What are the things we have to find the final output? Okay, that is very, very important. Students, any doubts, pa? Anyone, any doubts? Students, I'm asking you, any doubts? Ashwath, Alagu Srinidhi, Divyashri, Harish, Harivimal, any doubts? Hitesh, Jagadeep, Naveen Karthik, Pranav, Sanjay Anand. Students, open your mouth and say, is there any doubt? Otherwise, you can use the chat box also. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Selvamani, Sanjit, Sivarajvel, Somaskandan, Tamarai Selvam, Tikshna Shri, Teninian, Uday Kumar. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So okay, so if students, if we are not having any doubts, means you can do this homework. Okay, this is one homework, and the second homework I will give the logic circuit. Okay, so just listen, draw the logic circuit as a homework, and you have to find the expression and the truth table. Okay, just listen. Okay, so this is a homework. Okay, second homework. I'm giving you only 2 homeworks. Okay, so you can do now, students. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I will be in the meeting only. So you just do now. If there is any doubt, I will help you to how to solve this program. Okay, students, understood? Students, everyone noted the question? Teninian, Tikshna, noted
Yes, sir.
pa?
Noted, sir.
Yes.